bisexuals in German. I can do both.
Do you ever find that you're attracted to men?
Sometimes if I'm in an elevator, and someone walks in, I get a whiff of her hair. If I'm watching TV and I see Lisa running,
Oh, fuck you. Hey. Don't call me a bitch.
Ow! Fucking ow! What's with all the hitting all the time?
Fucking kiss me.
Don't touch me.